Everyone, welcome to the project demo. I am quite excited to walk you through the key feature that I have implemented in this particular project. Let me start the demo real quick. So as you can see, like this particular game is basically the advancement of the tutorials that the professor shared around us. So there are a couple of features that I have implemented. I would like to talk about it. The very first feature that I have implemented is utilizing Unity's rigid body component to enable the smooth physics-based movement. As you can see, the player input is captured with one of the packages of the Unity's, that is input system package, allowing for like dynamic control and interaction within the environment. So the player's keyboard keys are basically mapped to perform few of the actions. So in this case, like I have mapped A and D for like front, back, left, and right position of the player. I have also mapped space in order to use player and uh, it, and linked it to the jump feature so that like player can easily toggle and jump through it. So the second feature that I have implemented was the collectible system using on trigger enter function. So each collectible, as you can see in the green, is tagged with a pickup. So those are basically tagged. So every time a player collides with it, the object assigned to it is like deactivated and on the left side you can see the score is being updated. So this basically help in this particular game to give a kind of a like objective to for the player rather than game being just a vague game and like without any objective. So the basic objective over is here is to like collect each and every colliders you have. So the collectible items, once you it's been collected, the game will be over, and like at the end of the game you can see the you have won. So the third feature that I have implemented is a respawn mechanism. So as you can see, just in case like player just goes out of a track, so I have created a position called respawn position. So every time a player goes out of the track, um, a designated respawn point is allocated to him. So when they fall off this platform, this ensure that the gameplay is continued without being manual restarts. So this is quite engaging for the user rather than like play a game starting again and again. So this was one of the feature that I have implemented. Apart from that, like as you can see, the ball that's been rotating around. So in order to increase the challenge in this particular game, I have incremented enemy collision detection using one of the Unity's on collision enter. So when the player hits the particular enemy, as you can see, the game is immediately over. So I have created an event for that particular thing. So every time collision is occurred between the enemy and the player, the menu controller script handles this particular condition, and a game is again straight to game over state. So I might have to restart the demo again. So apart from that, I have implemented background music. So every time player tries to collect this particular coin, a different small music has been used in order to create a musical experience to the player. So these are the basic feature that I have tried to implement it as part of this learning, and that's pretty much about it. So thanks for listening. And as you can see, once you collect all the collectible items over here, mm, so once you collect everything, you are it displays the message saying like the game is completed and you have won. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much for your time.